We are a whole house prefabricated integrated service provider. Your choice. What are we doing? We are committed to transforming time-consuming and labor-intensive interior renovations into time-saving and effortless integrated installations. The products are fully finished at the factory, making installation a breeze. We have 7 major living spaces, 10 health and science system solutions. Then, how we achieve this? We have world-leading production equipment, meets all personalized and customization requirements. Intelligent production runs through the entire process. Now, the move-in ready experience we have been looking forward to is becoming possible in an even shorter time. Our professional integrated construction team adopts dry construction methods, ensuring a low-noise, eco-friendly, and fast installation process that is both efficient and sustainable. We strive for excellence in every detail of the product. We eliminate every potential renovation hazard, avoid the environment of the quality tested with dedication and mastery, allowing homes to flourish and love to grow.